In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Canva. If you're trying to create a presentation, a social media post, or a flyer in Canva, one of the first things you'll need is text. But if you're new to the platform, it can be a little confusing at first to figure out where the text tools are and how to get started. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple once you know where to look. To begin, make sure you open an actual design project first. This is important because Canva's text formatting tools only fully appear when you're working inside an active design. So from your Canva home screen, click Create a Design in the top right, then choose the format you want, such as a presentation, poster, or social media graphic. If you already have a project started, you can simply open that instead. Once your design is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see Canva's main sidebar with different tools and content options. In that sidebar, click on Text. As soon as you do, Canva will open the text panel and show you different choices, including simple text options, heading styles, subheadings, body text, and sometimes pre-designed text combinations. This is the main area you'll use when adding text manually. There's also a faster way to insert a text box if you want to save time. First, click anywhere on your design canvas so Canva knows you're actively working in the project. Then press the T key on your keyboard. Canva will instantly place a text box onto your design, usually right in the center, and your cursor will be ready so you can start typing immediately. This shortcut is especially useful when you're working quickly. After the text box appears, go ahead and type in your content. If you need to resize the box, click on it and drag one of the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. If you want to adjust how wide the text area is so the lines wrap differently, drag the side handles instead. That helps you control the layout without changing the wording. Finally, with the text box selected, look at the toolbar across the top of the editor. This is where you can change the font, text size, color, spacing, and alignment to match your design. Take a moment to format it so it fits the overall look of your project. When you're done, click Share or Save your design so your changes are kept, and that's it. You now know how to add a text box in Canva quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.